How to download the Shiftzila app. First, go to the App Store or Play Store. Then search Shiftzila and download. After that, then enter the domain name as IKVIC1723005217. By giving the correct email address and password, which was provided to you by the RVP admin team, you can log into the system. Logging into a shift. You'll see all the scheduled shifts for you in the calendar. You'll find all the shift details here, including client name, shift schedule time, client address, client documents, and shift instructions. You can log into the shift by clicking the Clock In button. As soon as you click Clock In, it will change the status to Shift in Progress, where you'll find all these fields to add details regarding your shift. Completing a shift. At the end of your shift, start filling out the details. Firstly, add the kilometers traveled in the shift if you had any. Also mention the reason for the traveled KMs. Do fill out the other travel expenses amount field if you had any parking fee or tolls charges included in the shift. Mention the travel expense reason and upload the proof receipt for any travel or other expense. Make sure to add the care notes of your shift. Place the client's signature. Recheck the details that you filled out. And press the Clock Out button to end the shift.
At the end of each fortnight, submit your timesheets through the app. Access the menu by clicking the 3-line bars on the top left corner. Click on the Timesheets tab and then the Add Timesheet button. Select the required fortnight period through the calendar and press Create. Next, click on the fortnight period. Check whether all the shift details for the fortnight are correct. Place your signature as a confirmation and press Submit button. You have now successfully created your timesheet for the fortnight. Adding your unavailability or shift cancellation. Access the menu through clicking the 3-line bars on left top corner of the app. Next, click on the My Availability. Here you'll see calendar dates, where you'll be able to select your unavailability through clicking the Unavailability button. Next, you'll have to fill out the details for your unavailability. Select whether you're unavailable for the whole day or if not the time range. Add a note in here if you want to declare the reason for your unavailability. Next, press the Confirm button. If you're being assigned for a shift on the time that you selected as unavailable, you'll have to cancel the shift. Press the Cancel button to cancel the relevant shift. Add the reasons for the cancellation. Then press Submit. Please do contact RVP admin team if you need and further assistance.